Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Join me today for a Your Creative Studio subscription box unboxing. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm excited to share this box with you. Amanda was kind enough to send it to me and show you what she usually creates in her subscription boxes. So it is a vintage themed stationery box that is perfect for journaling, creative journaling. Like if you love junk journals, I like to use this in my traveler's notebook journal, and also when you write snail mail letters, definitely comes handy. So let's have a look. This is the September box, and in just a little bit after we look through this stuff, I will be creating a few little journal, probably layouts, and if not, I'm still thinking, we'll get there. Let's look and see. So she always includes a nice little card, a thank you card, and as you can see by the card, it is a fall theme. Happy fall, by the way. I hope you guys are doing well in your neck of the woods. And I love the paper that she makes, because you can always use this when you can make collages. So let me pull our box aside and let's go over each item. The first one here are pressed flower stickers. Look how gorgeous they are. It looks like a clear sticker, and you have a good number of them on this page. The next one here, I'll have to get some scissors, and just so happen to have my daughter Emmy's little narwhal scissor here. This is super cute. So this is our dining table, and she usually uses this table when they have their Zoom distance learning sessions at school. So we are still doing online classes. Okay, let's open this and see what's in this box. Oh wow, look at this. We get a good number of these cards, and we have different, it feels embossed. We have different, like wildflowers, has little phrases on them. Really pretty. I love this. This is so perfect for a botanical themed little journal, if you like that Call Me Maybe. That's so cute. Dream sound, beautiful melody. So you have a good variety here that you can use. You can journal on the back or just add this as a little element on your journal cards. So we have that little journal card set. And the next one are her Your Creative Studio stickers, and I love these. I love fall. It is my favorite time of the year. We have our acorns, and I love the changing of the leaves, some ginkgo leaves, maple leaves, some fern, and also some holly berries, it looks like. So we have that. Next, she also includes some of these cute little paper pads, and if you haven't seen my other unboxings, I will put them in at the top here or at the end of the video. So look at this. Let's see what's in here. Oh, this is so pretty. They're vellum sheets. Look at that beautiful bird. This is, if I'm not mistaken, like a kestrel falcon, but we have flowers. Love the postage stamp on that. Some of our currencies. How fun. This would be really fun to use in a traveler's notebook kind of collage or journal card. Again, this is packed with so many fun sheets, and I love that it has some transparency so when you create layers, and here are some blank ones in the back so you can do some stamping. So we'll try that probably later on. And then I see another pad here. It looks like tickets and stamps. Let's see. This is so pretty. Again, pretty thick pad. Look at these, and they're tearaway sheets. I love that there are 3 different stubs here that you can use. Great for labeling. Love this, love that ticket. So, oh, there's other things. We have some sticker seals with a wax seal style in different colors as well. That's pretty neat. Let's see what else she included. She always makes sure to add a little stamp set, and I think she also adds more than one. So look at how many stamps you get in this one. And again, beautiful fall theme. We have the pumpkin, the pine cones, we have the pine tree and the ginkgo leaves and maple leaves. This is gorgeous. And then on the back here, it just tells you that there's 10 pieces. You peel them off with a backing, and then you can stack them using an acrylic block. That's so fun. Love that. And we have, look at this, a little notepad. I am a big fan of Jane Austen, and this is wonderful. It says Pride and Prejudice. So I have an idea of what we might be doing at the end of this video now that I see this cute little theme here. You have a few sheets here, and I think we have doubles. Look at that. That is so awesome. Love it. That's super cool. Love that. So really nice little paper pad. And it looks like we have another, feels like a stamp. Let's use our scissor. And I can already see we have a squirrel. It says squirrel and frogs. Let's see which stamp this is. So it looks like a wooden block stamp. You just see. Look how adorable this squirrel is with his little nut. So this is what it looks like. We'll have to test this out and see how this rubber stamp works and how it looks on paper. And it's still packed. We have still a few more items here that I am interested to see what they are. This one says Old Time Scenery Series. Let's see. Wow, there's a lot in here. Okay, we'll put that right there. Love, these are stickers. I see a little filmy piece on the back. We have the different faces of the moon, some florals here. Oh, I love this. This has some mushrooms and florals. We have a deer here and beetles, some feathers, and a dragonfly. These are pretty. These are really pretty. I love these. And some of these, like I love putting some of these black stickers or these on craft paper sheets, that type of thing, when I do the collages. So we'll see. Pretty awesome. Really good number of little stickers here. This is packed, guys. So it looks like we have a couple more items in this box. So the next one, and this is gorgeous. They look like pressed flowers but in sticker form, and I love the yellow. Look how pretty that is. That would be great to add to like a little window type journal card or page. So pretty. And a few more things. We have some dried leaves, some flowers over here. Very nice. And finally we have some 6x6 sheets here. Look at this. Very, very pretty. Look at this print. Oh my gosh. So this one's like a vellum sheet, and you can see the You can see the transparency there again. I love the prints that she picked for this one. Oh, this is so pretty. And then we have some leaves and ginkgo leaves with some postal stamps and some letter stamps here. How pretty is this box? All of this monthly. So if you are interested in getting your own box, I'll put a link in the description box. Now let's create a page or create something with all these items, and I will be right back. Let me get my tools. So now let's create a couple fall page layouts using some of the items that Amanda's included in this September box. Here's another look at the fall layout I created with the September box from Your Creative Studio. We have this beautiful stamps that we've used for the ginkgo leaves, some paper that we've layered. I've also used some of her clear pressed flower stickers and made a specimen little window card here that I've attached to her page. Also love to include her cards that she always has some really nice notes on the back and just included in the collage as a little remembrance. And then we have a cute little pocket here with a journaling spot on the back of our tag and a beautiful image of these embossed black and white flowers. Love that it says Elegant Love. Created a pocket here using some of that vellum paper. Love the fall theme. And then on this side we use that cute stamped squirrel. Added some of these here as a little label, and then use some of this sticker here just to add some color and contrast on our page. So I'll be writing my thoughts here, journaling on this side as well. Hope you guys enjoyed this Your Creative Studio unboxing and a journal with me session, creating a couple pages for our fall layout. Thanks again for watching Caramia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.